Hi everybody, good day to all of you all. I'm Hema here from Bima's Beauty Studio, your beauty coach. Okay, today I'm going to share about Paradise Beauty Cream to all of you all, secret of glowing skin. So some of them were asking me how to use and what are the ingredients inside this. So I'd like to share a little bit of this Paradise Beauty Cream. Okay, in this container of Paradise, there is no any chemicals, any mercury, any peelings, there is no. Okay, so mark this, there is no any mercury inside this. So when people ask me how long they can see the transformation of the skins and how long they can see the glow in the skin, I will always say it will take about 1 to 2 weeks time because there is no any chemicals inside. So this cream is not actually treat your whitening or to become your skin more white and all that. This cream is actually specifically for those who wanted to make their skin brighter, glowing and even up your skin tone. Okay, it doesn't give you white effect, it gives you brighten effects. So why it's brighten actually? So when I say brightens, some of the skin when they never use a proper moisturizer, okay, their skin becomes dull. Their skin becomes more not glowing, dull, sag and all that because they are not using a proper moisturizer. So immediately by not using all that, their skin become very dull, dehydrated and they have no glowing inside. Automatically the skin become fade out. They don't have any kind of brightening effects on their skin. So this is what people are actually looking for. So this cream is actually treat your hydration, treat your blemishes, treat your even skin tone, gives you glow, gives you even up your skin tone and gives you brighten effects. The moment your skin is fully filled by water, full of hydrations and all that, you can see your skin becoming glowing more. So that's actually what we meant into this cream. So most of them they were asking me, will this cream when they use become white and all that? They wanted to see their skin white. Actually, you don't have to become white. You have to become brighten and even skin is more than enough already. Because whitening in future, you will be actually if you want your skin to become white, if you're already fair and all that, it doesn't matter. But if in a different case, when you're dark, if you want your skin to become white and you can see only your face becoming whiter and your body is still dark, so I don't feel it's like alignment towards your skin. So that's why we always encourage everyone to get a glowing and brighten their skin with natural effects. So that's what inside this cream. This cream is actually contains of carnauba wax, bee wax, herbal extract, sunscreen, DM water, vitamin E and softener saffron. So it's actually treat your skin to become even, okay, even out your skin tone, hydrates and also nourish your skin. Automatically your skin becomes glowing effect. So those who have pimples, it also can treat your pimples also. Only one cream, it gives you miracle inside. So morning, what do you use? Use Paradise Cleanser. I already washed with Paradise Cleanser because I want to show you how to use this cream. I already washed this Paradise Cleanser. So after you wash using this Paradise Cleanser, you have to use this Paradise Moisturizer Cream. It's actually Paradise Beauty Cream. We call it Moisturizer Cream. And hence, it gives you glowing skin. It's actually like this texture. I don't know whether you can see, Okay. So you just use like that. The smells also is pleasant. So you just apply here. Okay, some of them they might ask why my skin got these dark spots and all that because I've never had this dark spot. Last time I used antibiotic creams like that. My skin is actually very, very sensitive. You can't even sweep the floor. If you can see any dust and all that, finish. You'll get a very sensitive skin. That's me actually. My skin is oversensitive. So that's why I always very, very particular using products and all that. Very, very particular because my skin even you cannot even sweep the floor. You can even the dust or something. If you use a wrong product, finish. I'll get pop out here, uneven skin tones and dark spots and all that. So that's what, because we are under COVID-19 now, lockdown, so I have to do all the house cleaning and all that. So because of dust, it becomes like this. Just to clarify with all of you all, but it's already subside. So this is what this cream will do. This is actually Paradise Beauty Cream. only that, finish. You don't even have to put powder, and you can see your skin glowing. You don't have to put powder at all, but if you want to use powder, you can use also. If you have a very dark under eye, then what you can do, you can put second layer here. That's all. So as time goes by, it will treat your skin, becomes even skin tone. Okay, once you use this Paradise Cream, that's it enough. Then you want to put your lipsticks or lip gloss, whatever you can. Or you want to use our lip gloss, Paradise lip gloss, also okay. Our Paradise lip gloss is made of, it gives you very strong hydration. It follows your lip color. It doesn't give you white and all that. It actually treats your skin from cracked lips. You can try to use, you can see your lips becomes hydration. So once you have done with this, if let's say at night, the same procedures you will be doing. You will be using the same procedures. You will be using the cleanser to wash your skin. Okay, then after the cleanser, you're going to put this. But for those who have dark spots, those who are wearing chain, they might have here dark patches over here, uneven skin tone, pigmentations, very bad severe under eye bag, then you can use our Paradise Serum. This Paradise Serum is very gentle on your skin. Actually, it's like water based. It's not oil based, it's water based. It very easily penetrates. This is actually new one. It penetrates towards your skin very, very fast. Okay, it treats under eye bag, it treats pigmentation, it treats dark spots, uneven skin tones, and also dark patches on your neck area. This is very, very good for those who are having that, but very sensitive skin, I'll suggest you not to use first. If you're having a very, 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 very sensitive skin, don't use the serum first. Use the cleanser with the Paradise Beauty Cream. That's it, finish. Then as time goes by, you can use our serum also, because I want you to get used to our products first. So if you see, this serum is actually treat. I told you what it can treat. It can only be used at night. So this serum is only meant for night usage. So night, you use your cleanser. After your cleanser, the second step will be the serum. After the second step serum, you will use the cream. Okay. For night, what we will suggest is, because some of them you're sleeping under the aircon, whereby your moisture will be taken away and all that. So what you can do, you put a bit of water inside the aircon or your room. So sleep inside, because why? This can actually gives you hydration. Okay, so that's it. That's it about our Paradise Serum. I've talked about Paradise Cleanser, Paradise Cream, Paradise Lip Gloss, and also finally we are going for mask. But those masks is actually we are giving out free for those who are buying one set. Now we are giving a free mask for them to have a try on our mask, how the texture is. It's very good for, especially for skin lifting and hydration purpose. Okay, for those who have a very, very dry skin, do our live video. When you do see our live video, whereby we already input a lot of hydrations naturally, how to actually treat your skin with natural products such as oats, such as banana glowing mask, such as rice bran mask and all that. So you can always go and see our live video and do follow, because the tips really works wonders. So during this COVID-19, during the lockdown, I wish all of you all have a safe day, a blessed day, healthy day with your beloved family, and enjoy with your loved ones. And for those frontliners, happy working to all of y'all, and thank you so much for helping us during this COVID-19. We are staying at home and you're working for us. Thank you so much for that. And Hema here signing from Vimas Beauty Studio, your beauty coach. Bye bye. Have a good day.